Yep. Hey, what's going on? Back here with the hands team. I know you're wondering what you're looking at. This is actually an aluminum leg to a table that I'm about to transform. I'm about to paint. As you can see, it's got tarnish right here, and it just won't come off. So instead of throwing it away, I'm gonna try to repaint it and see how it goes. Stay tuned. That's it. Bye. Hey, Hands Team family. I know you guys have probably seen this before, but if you haven't, please go check it out on my YouTube channel. I just wanted to refer back to this because we're about to transform this furniture to coordinate with this wall. Let's go. All right, what we have here is, of course, a sample of the wallpaper, and I'm at the paint shop today, so I am looking for a color that comes close to it, and we're gonna go with this today to coordinate with it, and I'll be right back at you. All right, here we go. First thing you want to do is try to sand everything down, and sanding is the prep work. It's the most important thing you got to do. Now, you're not trying to sand it where you're trying to take everything off. You just want to scuff it up and make everything look ashy. So, of course, I'm not doing all this by myself. I'm going to get a little help from, I'm going to get a little help from Bam Bam today. So, y'all just sit back and check out the work as we sand it down. Turn it on. Two hands. Just go back and forth. Way and back until you get all the way over here. Keep moving. Come up to here. Good job. All right, go all the way back. That's good. So, what we're trying to do is, now look, watch how I do it. All right, we're at the next step. We got about to get our primer ready to go. What we have here is a epoxy primer. Can't really show you right now. The difference between an epoxy primer, it actually has to be a certain room temperature. And as you can see, it's all clumped up. So I got to stir this up and get it ready to go. But after I get this stirred up, we'll start from there. All right, this primer is a 2:1 ratio. If you know anything about paint, mixing paint, it's all about ratios. So we're probably gonna go up to here.